Pipe-Huilai International Trading Company Limited is one of subsidiaries company of Tianjin Tianyuntai TYT Steel Group, specializing in manufacturing and sale of system scaffolding for almost 10 years. The company always sets and maintains the very highest of standards in safety and the supply of the qualified scaffolding and relative components, aiming to provide cost-effective solutions. Taking into consideration all aspects of your project's requirement, including logistics. Steel plank is a horizontal part designed to be installed with a frame system to serve as a landing platform. It is easy to use and dismantle, with unique convex holes that not only reduce self-weight but also have anti-skid and anti-deformation. Its width is from 200 mm to 500 mm, or be customized by drawing or specific layout. Adjustable telescopic steel props normally used as temporary vertical support in construction works. A prop consists of two tubes, which are telescopically displaceable with each other. A prop has coarse adjustment with a pin inserted into holes in the inner tube and a means of fine adjustment using a thread collar. All the welding related is carried out in accordance with standard EN 7292. The cross sections of tubes should be in accordance with standards EN 10219, EN 10210, EN 39, ISO 2397, and ISO 3304, 3305, 3306. Frame scaffold system has built-in or attachable speaker and are lightweight, which allows faster assembly and dismantling. No skilled labor required. The frame has tubular brace for better rigidity, which is suitable for all light-duty applications, such as facade for painting, cleaning, plastering, and maintenance work. Frame in the handy, lightweight, and labor-independent frame. Scaffold system with an unbeaten cost-performance advantage for UC access scaffold system, housing, narrow construction, industrial facade retention, reconstruction and refurbishment. Ringlock is world's most widely used scaffold system. It is a fully galvanized multi-purpose steel scaffold system suitable for providing general access and supporting vertical loads. The comprehensive range of Ringlock main components allows it to be used to create a wide range of access, tensile strength. Both vertical standard and horizontal ledger are manufactured from 48.3 mm outside diameter by gauged 10 high-strength steel tubing with a minimum yield strength of 50,000 pound-force per inch square meters. Pipe-Huilai International Trading Company Limited supplies all kinds of scaffolds for years, having advanced quality control system to guarantee the structural stability, and we adhere to safety from the beginning of each project. Our products are exported to more than 40 countries, including Asia, Europe, Australia, America, and the Middle East, etc. Welcome independent inspection parties to identify all of testing our laboratory according to EN ASTM AS standards. We insist on surpassing ourselves and striving for excellence.